Hey, it's Tom from WPWithTom.com, and in this video I'll be going over how to make a non-clickable menu item within WordPress. So let's dive in. So I actually have another video on how to set up a drop-down menu within WordPress, and this question often comes up in the comments there. So this is basically my video response on a solve on how to actually fix this. So if we have a drop-down menu like this one right here, you can see that you can actually click on services. See how the mouse turns from this to a hand? That means you can click on that link. And let's say we don't want to make this clickable. So if I click on it, it takes us to the services page. I don't want it to take me anywhere when I do that. So let's go over how to fix that. So if I were to go back here to the dashboard, I would just simply go down to where it says Appearance and then Menus. And then within here, you can see that this is our drop down. So it says Services, Marketing, SEO, Web Design. I'm going to go and I'm actually going to go and create a custom link. And then I'm going to name this one Services in place of the one we have there. Now to do this, you're going to need to put in a pound symbol or something like that and just click Add to Menu. And then you're going to actually go and delete your services page that you already have on there out of the menu. It will still be in the pages area if you need to refer back to it. And from here, I'm just going to go up and I'm going to put services in order with this custom link that we just created. And then I'll click, hold, and drag these over to make it a drop down with these three items. And then I'll make sure it's my primary menu and I'll save the menu. So now we have this new custom link with these three in the drop down. So let's go look at how that looks over here. If I go and I refresh the page, we can go and see that now it says services and it has this drop down and it still has this little icon to click. So if we went and clicked that, it actually doesn't go anywhere. You can see it gives this pound symbol in the URL once we click on it. If I were to go back here to the page and go back within the dashboard here itself, we can go and now change this custom link and actually delete that out of here and then save the menu. And now if we go over here, we'll refresh again and we'll click on where it says services, but you can see you actually can't even click. It just gives us this icon instead of the hand. So we go from this mouse and then you can't actually click on it. And I'm trying to click right now and it doesn't do anything. So that is how you would actually make your menu item non-clickable within WordPress. I really hope that this quick video was helpful and answered the question that a lot of people had about doing this within a drop-down menu. If it was, please feel free to give this video a like and subscribe for more WordPress related tutorials. Thanks for viewing and have a wonderful day.